This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Wrangler rear window struts. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new replacement struts. Make sure your Jeep Wrangler's rear window is securely propped open to prevent it from falling unexpectedly. Take a moment to inspect the old struts for any visible damage, like fluid leaks or excessive play, which indicates they are failing. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for both sides. Now, let's remove the old struts. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry up the small retaining clips located at each end of the strut. Once the clips are disengaged, you can carefully pull the strut off its ball joints on both the window and the body. Remember, the window might drop a little once a strut is completely removed, so maintain support. Repeat this process for the other side if you are replacing both struts. With the old struts removed, it's time to install the new ones. Align one end of the new strut with its corresponding ball joint on the window. Apply firm, steady pressure until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Do the same for the other end of the strut on the body mounting point. Once both new struts are installed, carefully lower and raise the rear window a few times to confirm they are working correctly and providing full support. Finally, double-check that both new struts are firmly seated on their ball joints and that the rear window opens and closes without any issues. It's a good practice to periodically inspect your struts for any signs of wear or reduced performance to maintain optimal function. This simple replacement can significantly improve your Jeep Wrangler's usability. Also, if you're looking to keep your ride smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.